This video describes a step-by-step procedure to make a needle for sub-retinal or sub-conjunctival injection into the mouse eye. Typically, for such injections, 1 to 2 microliter of fluid is delivered after making a very precise prick. It is difficult to hold commonly available microsyringes for making such a very precise prick, as they are quite bulky and often have a thick needle of around 22 gauge. The thick needle can be utilized for rabbit or rat eye. However, it can cause retinal detachment and hemorrhage in mice eye. It is desirable to have a fine needle of at least 32 gauge connected to a flexible tube for making such a precise prick, and to deliver 1 to 2 microliter of the fluid. The flexible tube allows the easy handling of the injection, as the heavy body of the other syringes often damage the cornea and exert pressure on the mice eye. Let's now see how to make such a needle. We will utilize a 24 gauge IV cannula and a 1 ml insulin syringe fitted with a 32 gauge needle. Remove the cap of the insulin syringe to expose the needle. Heat the needle by touching a hot smoldering iron at the middle, and after a second or two, gently pull the needle out using a forceps. Place the needle on a clean surface. Disassemble the 34 gauge IV cannula and take out the needle. Hold the sheet or the flexible cover tube of the IV cannula and carefully insert the 32 gauge needle in it. Molten polyethylene may be applied to seal the needle into the tube. To use this needle, gently place the needle of a conventional 10 or 25 microliter Hamilton syringe, typically used in HPLC, into the other end of the flexible tube. The 32 gauge needle with a flexible tube for delivering 1 to 2 microliter is ready to use. Its applications are not limited to subretinal or subconjunctival injection. It has been used for aquacentesis, vitrectomy, and aquaflushes in mice eye.